Okay, basically when I grind this kurochi, this apa nama atas tu ulang sikit, tak aku dah start lah. So mau lah crispy lagi lah, acak lagi.
Morning. Just finished regrinding this what do you call this, shinagi. So this is the end result. Polish, but this one is like 400 grit finish, and also this kind of thin it a little bit. Okay, as well as this. So just need to resharpen it back. Switch to the front camera. After this, I'll put my setup. Then I'll be using my Venev F240 and F400. Got a Burr. Got a Burr. The Burr. Got a Burr. Wait for a moment, I need to take this call. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, there was people going to suck the septic tank, so I. Okay, now I got a Burr. Recording. Burr. Alright, continue. Just want to not to say importance, just to share why we need to thin our knife. It's because of this. When you want to sharpen the thin knife, it's very easy because you have a very thin bevel. So sharpening easy, cutting is easy. Now I move to F400. Got a Burr. There's see particle of Burr, right? Just to see, I don't know if you can see it. This is, by the way, a stainless clad. Okay, there is a lamination line here, see here. So I mean to say, this is a stainless, but clad with the stainless. Let me put you guys to see the particle, right? Okay, see it? Now you see that? That is a burr. There. Great to see that. Now the burr. Oh, nice. You see that? There. That's a burr, flaking off the edge. When I see that, you need to clean the stone. You don't want to ruin your edge. Right. I'll swap it later. Other side. Now do this. The burr is this side. I'm going to flip over the camera and then we'll do stropping and sharpness. Alright, back at it. This knife and this knife. Let's wipe it clean first. Alright. This is a refurbished knife. I don't know what's the brand of the knife, but my friend gave it a nice wire handle, Japanese wire handle. Another one, this is also been rehandled, but I still can see the name is stainless clad steel kitchen knife. I think it's Misuzu cutlery. Wonders me when you have an old knife and you think it cannot be safe anymore, and then you sell it off to someone that work wonders with your hand. This is a nice pearl. Okay, strap, my usual strap 4 micron, and this is 1 micron. Nice. Now 1 micron. This is gunny juice, by the way. Whew. Let me put it down first. Move on to another one. Starting with 4 micron. I know this knife gonna perform well. It's gonna cut well because the profile is thin enough. Alright. I can still see the tip. Let's do the cutlets. For a long video, for not paste. This magazine can align up all this paper already. Nice. At the tip there's some Burr. I will strop it later. Alright, once done. Now this is Misuzu cutlery. Nice one. Woo! This one cut better, man. Probably I'm gonna work that later, but this one is going well. There you go. Can slice through tomato easily. Nice. So look, it'll side it out.